Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add snow effect on Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right now, my actual store is really plain, so I want to add a snow effect. What you can do is you can head over to apps.shopify.com and then you should be able to see near the Shopify App Store. Now click on this search right here and then search in here for White Christmas. So search for that and then you should be able to see this right here. Click on this. And then click on this install button right here. Once you have done that, this will actually load like this, and then it will ask you for access and you'll successfully install this application to your Shopify. So let's just wait for this right here to finish loading process. Then once you have wait for this, you should be able to see the install button. So here's the install button, just click on it. And then this will install this particular application to our Shopify store. So before we do that, as you can see, this will load and this will show us the dashboard of this store. So what you can do is you can just wait for this to finish loading process. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. Installation was successful. Click on continue right here. And then once you have done that, this will actually load like this. And then from in here, you see that this will install the app to our site. So we need to enable this on our theme editor. So click on this right here. And then this will redirect us to the Shopify editor itself. So on the Shopify editor, we should be able to see the app embeds that we have running on our site. So this is the app embeds. And then as you can see, this has been activated. So make sure to click on save right here. Once you have saved that, as you can see, the theme has now active and we have now snow falling on our actual store. So let's head over to the preview of our store and then let's refresh it. And then in here, this will take some seconds on our actual store. And as you can see, it is now snowing. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, then please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.